Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. New bio-inspired gel helps tooth enamel grow back. Scientists have developed a revolutionary gel that can repair and regrow tooth enamel, which is the hard coating that protects teeth. The gel, which is fluoride-free, functions by mimicking the proteins that build dental enamel during infancy. Once applied, the protein-based material fills gaps in the tooth structure and creates a scaffold that attracts calcium and phosphate ions from saliva, helping to grow new enamel. The regenerated enamel performs just like natural, healthy enamel when brushing, chewing, and exposed to acid-producing foods. The gel can be applied quickly, much like an in-office fluoride treatment, and can help restore thin layers of lost enamel, as well as provide relief for tooth hypersensitivity and improve the durability of dental restorations. The researchers have launched a startup company, Mintech-Bio, and hope to have a first product available as early as next year. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.